Hello, hello. How are you all doing? I hope you get this. You watch this video in such a good mood, good time, and having a wonderful time. Doesn't matter if it's weekend, evening, or in the morning. I hope you enjoy this video. Welcome back. Okay. All right. Today I'm going to show you this part of the program. It is the Vedic part of the program. I don't know if you get a chance to do this yet within your program, but let me show it to you. Okay, so here's this thing, this icon. This is where you're gonna go run your Vedic system in here, or you can go to these words as well at the same function. But I encourage you guys to use these little icons in here because it has more functionality than those words. Those words are leftover from the DOS version, which we don't remove because a lot of people are still wanting to use those words. But I encourage you to use these little icons, okay? Okay, we're going to click on this Vedic. As you can see, when you point on it, we have, it will tell you it's Vedic, Vargas, Dasas, Planetary, Strength, blah, 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 blah. Okay, now let's click on it now. So much talk about it. When you click on it, you have all these options: Chakras and Vargas, Vedic Natal, Dasas, Panchanga, Muhurta, Ashtakavarga, Gochara, Sarvatobhadra, marriage matching, Krishnamurti Padhdhati, simple chakra, Dosha. Okay, the Bindu is not part of the program, but it is there because I have it installed in this system. Bindu is another Vedic program that we sell, but that is not part of the Sirius program. Okay, once you are inside the Kepler Workshop, which is where the Vedic system is, you do not have to come back here. This is just an option for you to come back here just in case you have left the Kepler Workshop. The Kepler Workshop, as you can see, this is the part where all of these can be run. Okay, all right, let's go to Chakras and Vargas. Okay, there you go. There is the Chakras in Vargas right here. Let me move it here a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, these are the this is the Rasi wheel, Rasi charts. Okay, if you do not know what this is, it's right here. It says Rasi, and this is the Navamsha chart. Okay, if you scroll down, now you can choose more in here if you want to by clicking up here. See. There, you click on this here, you have more options in here. You have Rasi, Aura, Drakana, I cannot pronounce it, but all of these options are there for you. Okay, if you're very advanced Vedic astrologer, these are all the options for you. But right now, there's only 2 options in here that has been checked so that it's not so messy and so many things to look at. Let's just make it simple. We just have 2 charts, the Rasi and the Navamsha chart, which is the most common chart that we use in Vedic. Okay, there you go. Now, in here you will see you have the north. This is the style of the chart. This is the North Indian style. So, okay, this is a beautiful style. That is the North Indian style. When you click on this down arrow, you've got the South Indian style in here. And you click on here, so look at this, it is different. Then you click on here again. You can see if you want it to wheel or the circle, you click on wheel, and there you go. You still have the Rasi chart and the Navamsha chart here at the bottom. Okay, and let's look at the other style. I click in here. And this is the diamond style. This is the old-fashioned style. Okay, so this is really, really beautiful. Now, you see these colors, you can choose the color from here. If you click on this, this is the color scheme. You click in here, you click on dark. There you go. And you click on here again, you click on medium. And you click on here again, you click on light. Or come back in here, you click on white. Okay, I like this light version. Let's go back to the north style. Okay, I like this style better. Okay, but you can have your own preference. Okay. All right. Now, within this window, you can see all these options: File, Vedic, Western, Tools, Preferences, Language, and About, and Exit. Okay. Now, since that we are here, I will explain this to you. This right side in here is the interpretation by the Adichie Toth, the astrology.com.au. Okay. The purpose of this, you cannot print this, but you can read it. The purpose of this is when you point on a moon, for example, when you point on a moon, you can see that interpretation of the moon is written in here on the right side. Okay, the same thing with the other planets, Jupiter. We can click on Jupiter, Venus. You will see these changes in here. Okay, so that is the purpose of that. Then on this right side is the summary of everything that you are seeing. Okay, you have the chart summary of the Rasi chart, and as you can see, so you see all of these things on the right side, a chart summary for the Rasi chart, and when you click on here, you see the chart summary of the Navamsa chart. Okay, whatever you're clicking on here is the one that shows here on the right. So again, I click on this, and then that is the okay, showing the Rasi chart summary again. Okay, we don't want this video to be very long, so I will tackle the other part of this video on the next of this program on the next video. So we will end here, and I will show you the next one on the next video. Okay, have a wonderful day, and thank you for subscribing. Appreciate it. Bye bye for now.